What is up, guys? Today we're back with another video. It's been a while since I've posted like Trans Am videos. One, the car is pretty much done. There's a little cosmetic stuff that I want to do. Mainly it's the paint and probably get new seats. I'd like to get Kirky seats, but it's been back and forth on some stuff that I've been wanting to get for it. That Kirky does not make the size for me, but yeah. So my last favorite mod that I got was this. Oh, let me show you. This, the shift light. And what pretty much a shift light is exactly what it sounds like. So on the Trans Ams, the clusters always tend to have problems with it not being so accurate. So me shifting now a little bit past 7,000 at 7,100. It would not be what's the word? It would not be correct. So I turned out that this shift light works perfectly fine. I did a little bit of research, and luckily one of my buddies, shout out to Jason, had already had it, so he kind of guided me through it, and I actually ended up taking to someone that he knew that could actually wire it up, because for some reason on the Trans Ams you have to, or on the Camaro / Trans Ams, you have to wire it into your what's it called, to your coil pack. So right now you can set it up for the light to turn on over 3,000 RPMs. I think I have it at 35. As you can see right here, so whenever you get to right where you're gonna shift, it'll start blinking red, and that's when I know when to shift. And it also tells you your RPMs, and it has other functions, features like when to shift, the light patterns, and brightness. There are more other features, but my main thing was that I wanted it for the shift points. I needed for it to work. So this has probably been one of my favorite mods, and everybody always asks me how I got that, and tell them that it's a kit. Not really a kit, it's just the thing you can buy from, I think it's called Miata, something Miata. But you have the guy that was able to install it for me, he put like I don't even know what that's called. He made that bracket. So there is no issues so far. I've had it for probably 2 months and works good. I will show you once I park how the wires ran through and let y'all see it. Okay, so we're out the car and we went in through the firewall. As you can see right there, that blue cable goes in. That's the best way I can show you, other than it goes through there. You can see right there. On the inside you'll see it better if you go under your cluster. You're able to see it. Try to run it through there, and then you just attach it to one of the coils, which is right there, and it is the purple one. Ouch. The purple one you'll do, and yeah, that's about it. On the instructions, all you got to do is just program it. It's pretty straightforward. It'll show you how to do it. I didn't program it because it was done for me. So hey guys, that's it for this video. Nothing else I'm really going to change on the car. Car sits perfectly how I want it, other than it just going to need a paint job eventually. Pretty much from here back. Yeah, I don't know. These has always had it, but yep, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Locals. Peace.